Hey. Hey. I got the hiccups, so I figured let's do another hiccups video, and I got a little puppy with me. Hey. Hey, buddy. You want to say hi? See, there's a hiccup. Hiccups time! Puppy doesn't have hiccups, but he's a cutie. Fudge. So this is Buddy. He is a miniature golden doodle. I'm having trouble talking because I got the hiccups. I keep having them. And dinner's almost ready. Hey, Echo. Set timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now.
It's dinner time almost. Some sort of microwavy pasta thing. Hey, there's a Buddy. So this is Buddy. Yes, he's got the tuxedo look. He's got the white chin, which he doesn't want to show. He's got a little bit of white in the top of his head. His paws have white on them. And so this is his belly. And he's such a cutie. Hi. Hi, you're so cute. When he's getting a little too rambunctious, I just hold him. Oh, freaking hiccups. So why am I doing a quick hiccups video right now is because a month or so ago, I did a hiccups video. And it did really well. So here we go. Here's a new one for you guys. Ah, fudge. Can't stand them. I'm afraid to talk. I'm trying not to hiccup, and I can't. So there we go. The last video I did with hiccups, I talked about Sipology. They are totally screwing me over horribly, so I'm more or less trying to figure out what I'm going to do about them. Because my other video was about standing up for yourself, right, Buddy? This is before we got Buddy, I think. I did that video because he had a company, very unethical, lots of problems, and I'm not happy with them. They've essentially they're trying to ban me, and it's like whatever. It is what it is. They have no resources that are any usefulness to be a consultant, so I am not impressed. So yeah. Hiccups. There you go, guys. There's a couple minute hiccups video. Ow. They're annoying. They're really, really annoying. And Buddy's being a good boy. I don't know. I don't get hiccups often. But hey, Echo. Stop. Alright, so I gotta wrap this up, upload this to YouTube, and have a great night. Yee. Alright, we'll do a couple more hiccups and I'll go. Hi, little buddy. Hi, buddy. Isn't he so cute? Ugh. It's just that I'm not used to hiccups, but just the way it travels through the chest. It's like I don't know if it's because I don't even know what the fast stage is with you guys, because it's like I don't know if it's like bouncing boobies or something else. I have no idea what it is. So yeah. Oh fuck, it's annoying. All right, you wanna say hi? Come on, say hi. Say hi. Oh, he's so cute. But yeah, he's got the little. Can't really tell in this angle, but yeah, he's my little fuzzy buddy. And yeah, all right, everyone. Have a great night. Bye for now. God, I love hiccups.